Hello everyone. 1 week more to watch the outlook for the next week. But before going uh, into the analysis, we're going to check what happened during this week. And during this week, we have the break of the structure and the January triangle I told you, right? So where the price went on Monday. Monday we decided not to trade because price wasn't nowhere to go, right? And the price initiate on equilibrium. So after this, we have bullish BS on Monday, right? After this, as very strong bullish intention to break these equals highs, right? And the price take them and look what it does. The price it takes the previous all equals high, break the Dorado structures, right, and goes straight to an all previous equals highs again. After this, the price drops very strong on Thursday's drops, then comes again into the previous structure, right, only into the Dorado structure. So it looks like more to be manipulation of the market, right? Plus, uh, if you analyze, well, everyone is talking about gold, actually. So what happened with gold? What is this? Fully inversion of the market. So great investors, big investors are taking their profits of their investment now. So we need to watch very attentive the market, what will happen, and do our previous analysis over our trades, right? For this week analysis, we market the areas where the price will most likely to go, right? We said before on the previous outlook that price will go. Wouldn't know where to go after Monday. Monday was not trade day for me. Monday we have bullish BS, so expected that Tuesday have a bullish BSs, and after touching these pads, we were expecting to have bearish days, and very important, we have big news over these 3 days. So this big news could change direction of market actually, right? So saying so, let's going to move into the analysis. Okay, so trying to clean out our drawings, right? And let's going to start marking as we normally do, previous week high and previous week low. Okay. Okay, now we have drafted our high importance liquidity ranges or our previous week price range. Okay, so let's going to move into daily time frames to check what is happening over there, right? Or if we can find any or spot any area or zone where we can take a trade. Okay, uh, 1 day time frame, right? Premium and discount. We always make premium and discount. Okay. After this, I told you before that the price took previous all equals high and revert very strong, right? When the propulsion block, right, arrives, the price goes straight down into a discount zone, right? If we saw the volume, we can see the intention of the market to go lower. Why intention? Because it's breaking the previous uh, resistance, right? Resistance, and then this convert into a support, right? It makes a support, right? And then breaks again with higher intention, higher volume, right? Going into a discount zone. So saying so, saying so, what will be the next movement of the price if during this movement the price leave an imbalance, right? Inverted, raped, violated, right? And this imbalance is on premium, right? Premium. So the next logical movement is that the price will move into the premium zone, right? That we can find an imbalance, right? Inversion, fair value gap, okay, imbalance. And then the price can probably reject in this zone and continue going down. Okay, if this happens in the first days, Monday, Tuesday, and this IFVG is not breaking, is not violated, right? What we're going to look for, price continuation into a bearish trend. Okay, let's move on to the 4 hours time frames, but with this outlook, it's like quite very uh, to know where the price is most likely to do or what the price wants to do, right? Why I say so? Because during a long period of time, price was going up, 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 and as you can see here, let's spot this on. This is the last resistance the price has, right? And actually, this price converting to this resistance converting to a support, right? And during this way to this support, there is a bunch of liquidity. We can see like here equals lows, right? Equals lows. Here we can see we can spot another equals lows. These were already taken, so this can be quite a bit valid. It's liquidity too, and over there, over here we have another equals low. If this will happen, who knows? I don't know how the market will be, but we haven't seen retest of the support since June 25. So why not we can saw a market structure shifting into this? Like for example, right here, you see there's another resistance converting support that was not tested till when it was breaking on December 23. Then price goes up, never tested, never tested, never tested, and it was tested on April 25, right? So we're talking about 5 months, 4 months that the price can took this time to retest a zone. So now probably we can expect this big drop or not. We should be very attentive to price action and see what we'll do. Okay. In 4 hours time frame, normally 4 hours time frame makes our order flow, right? And look at this, or the price half, right? here's the how. I just took the 1-day IFEG, place it on the trend, right? This below, and we can see that this is our premium zone, and we still have liquidity over here, right? We have still orders to be filled here. So where we will expect Monday, we are expecting Monday uh, Asia session to be like Asia high, then it's going to move into the Asia low, right? Then let's going to expect that price will come and take, probably can be London high, something like this, right? London high, the price will go and take Asia low, and for New York session can be something like the price will be moving over here, and then we'll take London low, then from the 5 to 7:30 or 8 p.m., and then we'll have liquidity above. All right, so probably expect that the price will come something like here, do this, take London low, make it drop, and then goes take London high, Asia high, goes straight forward, take this FPG, and then drops again and move something like this, right? Right. Don't take the scale like this. These are not the correct prices. It's just an example what the price can do. Or probably the price will be like Asia, London, just accumulation. London will take over the both sides, and we will expect it if price move over London high, touch this imbalance, expected uh, break the structure down like here, or inverted AVG on 15 minutes, then move into the 1 minute time frame to be retested this and take again the trade, right? So that's the point. Okay, and for today that's all. So expected the price to be going into the premium zone, take grab liquidity, then goes down, take previous week low, or naked this AVG, expect the price to go up and continuation, right? So Monday, it's an important day. Mm, I normally do not trade on Mondays. So now let's going to take a look into the commitment of traders, right? Commitment of traders, it's telling me three important things that are the most matter. Open interest fell again. So it means like conviction is still, I don't know where to do, it's going up or going down, right? The open interest, the weekly change, minus 6,000, right? So it means like uh, positions are getting cut, so they're going to risk off, right? And that usually means chops plus stop runs are more likely than clean trend lays, right? The second is the biggest shift in the leverage funds. They covered shorts hard on a bullish impulse, so it means like as we saw on the graph, right? With this big impulse, they covered all the shorts, so they run and pop all the stops over here, right? And leverage funds often is the fast money, right? So Now they are longs over 56,000, so it changed plus 2,000, and the shorting positions they are on to 2,000, right? And with a change of 10,000, right? Here it is, right? Leverage from 7,000. With a change on the previous analysis over 10,423. So net, they are minus 16 position, 16,000 positions, right? And what about dealers? They are going more short. But it caps clean upside, right? Remember, they caps clean upside. Dealers being massively net short is common in an equity index future because they are often warehousing hedges, taking the other side of lows. But when they get even more net short while open interest is falling, it's often translated to price made rally, but it will be messy, mean reverting, lots of liquidity grabs and so on. So what implies this information for next week? Next week will be a quite a bit choppy with an upside squeezy potential, right? Open interest. Why? Because we already discussed open interest is falling. Leverage funds cover a lot of shorts, so they take their earnings, right? And asset managers remain heavily long, so it's like controversial, right? And well, what I will work on to this week, I will not trade into these screaming shorts, right? Probably I will wait uh, on uh, Thursday, right? Thursday, what happened on Thursday? It's going into 1 hour time frame. On Thursday happened this, right? This, this drop, massive drop, liquidity run, right? Normally do on 15 time frame. I was on this session in New York from uh, 9 to 9:30 to 11:30, right? So I normally do not take trades over this period of time, okay? Because there's a lot of liquidity or there's a lot of traps in this time. It's better to wait and see what the market really wants to do, right? Okay, so as you can see, look, 9:30. What happens 9:30? Boom! Big run on liquidity, right? I wait. I wait all this time till 10:45. Then I see these 50 minutes candle over the last one. So I came down, right? In 15 minutes time frame, I spot the with a 502, right? I have my golden zone, right? Golden zone, right? And at the same time, when I do this, right, I spotted an FVG, right? So automatically I have a setup that, okay, price stops liquidity run. Where's the liquidity? Easy to take all these, right? Bunch of orders. Here's a lot of orders to be taken, right? I mean, they placed limit orders, they didn't take it, so the price will move and take all these orders. So 15 minutes time frames I did this, then I went into the 5 minutes time frame. In 5 minutes time frame, I see, you can see, as you can see it like here, right? Probably you don't see very well, but there's one leg, two leg, three legs. Which one's the last leg? The price to this one, right? You cannot see it like this. You can see it like this. Okay, one leg, two legs, three legs. So I wait till the price break this leg. Right? It's give me a change of character, break of structure, right? And what I did, take an entry, breaks the price, take 50% of liquidity, right? Breaks, this will be my order block, right? Order block, right? The price breaks clean, right? Before I was spotting this FVG, right? The price to try, right? But what the price never arrived to this, so the price leave me alone with my trade, right? And why? You see this candle, this FVG, this is valid FVG. The price will take that? No, this is a big impulse price to go up to price to continuation, right? So I didn't take the trade here. The price break the structure. You see, break the structure. This is my order block. At the same time, the price breaks the order block. It lets me an imbalance, right? Let me this imbalance. You see what I did. I placed my trade here, as I know that the price will go to my golden zone, 60, 60, 70, 80, 82%, right? Plus confluence with an FEG. Place my entry right here. Price, boom, $300, $3,000. You see, you see. So you should not paying entry 9:30. Why I do not enter 9:30? 9:30. Yeah, let's take a guess. Take a guess. Take the entry at 9:30. Boom, the price comes down very nicely, and then boom, back, you're out. Who knows what will happen under 9:30? There's the big hedge funds, banks placing their orders. What will happen? Who knows? Their manipulation is the biggest manipulation you will have on the whole day trade. You should place your interest there. I will not. I do it for a long time, and I was always mistaken, and I always frustrated, and the emotions goes over, and so on and so forward. So it's not good time to work on. So what will happen? Price goes down, down, down. Comes at 10 a.m. The price continuation down, and you can say, "What the hell? Why didn't take these trades? Lot of uh, points, a lot of ticks. So why I didn't take them? It's 600 36. Oh, I will make a lot of money, but it's not safe. You will lose your money like easily. So it's fair what I wait, patience. Okay, price is moving, patience, price is moving, and you need to see volume. See volume, volume, volume. You see, boom, volume is continuation, is up, stop, stop. If you read about week of theory, boom, volume stops, price stops. You see, 3 minutes, 3 minutes break of structure, last higher, or the block breaks, goes up. 1 minute, you see, volume is low, volume is low, then boom, you see. So that's all for today. Next week, remember it will be quite a bit chop, so it's better not to try hero shorting because actually the market is quite a bit crazy. So take a rest and trade well, be safe. Okay, bye. Thank you.